We're here at the ACME Southern Nationals 2025 show, and we're at a cool booth I want to show you. We're at the MCV products booth, and I can tell you right now, firsthand, that they put out a good quality product. And I have purchased a lot of stuff from different 3D printing companies, and this is by far the best company. I've never had an issue. And I've bought a lot of stuff, engines, the pulling tractors. I've bought that, I've bought that. I've got them on my channel, I've built them. I've bought that, it's on my channel. I've bought these, they're getting ready to go on my channel. And I have bought these two tractors and put them on my channel also. They are built, went together flawlessly. But he's got some great stuff. The engines go together real well. Top-notch stuff here. Love MCV products. He's got a lot of products for the big 12 scale Camaro that I built. Those went together just fine. No issues, no warpage, no nothing. And as soon as you make an order, you're confirmed with an email and you get a tracking number to track your package, which is cool. All the different tires. Love his tires. He's got some great tires. Great website too. Easy website to navigate. I think shipping's free on $50 or more. It's easy to spend $50, so you're pretty much going to get free shipping. Here's some of my favorite tires right here. I've got several of these to do some semis, some lowered semis. Those are cool. Think outside the box and get something like that. And if you see him at a show, you can go through all the misprints. The misprints are marked for cheap. All kinds of misprints. And when it's a misprint, I don't see nothing wrong with it. Cool stuff. Got some small parts right here. More small parts. More misprints. Yeah, if it's bad, he does not send it out, which I like. And there's been some other companies I've gotten bad stuff from. I will not buy from them anymore. I will not name the company, or companies I should say. There's two of them. I will not name them, but I've gotten bad stuff from them, and they didn't really want to do nothing about it. But this company here, top quality control, and they will do something about it if you by chance get something bad. $2 for those. Those are nice. Highly recommend MCV products, guys. And I recommend these tractors. He said he sold a lot of these. I'm not built those. I'm not going to get them. They don't really interest me. I'm more into the pulling tractors. Check out MCV products. I know you'll be happy with them. Go back on my channel. You'll see a bunch of MCV stuff I've done, especially with the big 12 scale Revell Camaro. MCV products.